explain exercise 2.5, 14th question. The question is, the perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So, what they have given, we will write first. They have given DB is equal to 3CD. Then what will be BC here? We will write just BC is equal to BD plus CD, right? BC is equal to BD plus CD. BD is what they have given, 3CD plus CD. That means BC is equal to 4CD, or you can write CD is equal to 1 by 4 BC. This is also they have given. Now to prove, what we need to prove here? We need to prove here 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Already they have given perpendicular from A on D. So AD is perpendicular. We need to get here AB square. So I am applying Pythagoras. Sorry. I am applying Pythagoras theorem on triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. AD square is equal to AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Here we need to get in terms of BC. So what I'm going to do means I'm not applying here 3CD. If you are applying here 3CD also, you will get the answer. But we need to get here BD, right? We need to get here in terms of BC, right? So I'm going to apply what? Instead of DB, I'm going to write BC minus CD the whole square. Here BD, how will you write? Total length, BC minus CD. That is what DB. Now this is A minus B the whole square. Apply Pythagoras theorem. What you will get? So AD square plus, not Pythagoras theorem, here this is an identity. So A minus B the whole square. So you have to apply identity here. So you will get BC square, that is A square minus 2 into BC into CD plus CD square. Okay, now we got it here, BC square, and we got it here. AD square plus CD square is there, right? Here you see the triangle. In triangle ADC, if you are applying Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Put that equation number 1. Now from 1, what you will get? From 1 you can write AB square is equal to AD square plus CD square, then plus BC square, minus 2BC into CD, what you will write here? 1 by 4 BC. 1 by 4 BC. Now this whole term, it becomes AC square. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This 2 and 4 will be cancelled. You will get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 BC square. Now take the 2 LCM here throughout this term. What you will get? AB square is equal to 2AC square plus 2BC square minus BC square whole divided by 2. This 2 you have to interchange into the other side. It becomes 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus 2BC square minus BC square. 2BC square minus BC square, it becomes BC square. So you will get the answer 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. See, we have to get it here BC. That is the reason I just written instead of DB, I have written here BC minus CD. You can substitute here 3CD the whole square also. That is also another method. Whichever method is easy for you, that method you can follow. I am feeling this is the easiest method. That's the reason I am just following this method. Okay, I hope you understood the video. Thank you.